In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a journal in Xero. If you're looking to accurately track your finances and maintain organized records, knowing how to enter a journal in Xero can be incredibly beneficial. Let's start by heading over to Xero's website and logging into your account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is the hub of your accounting activities in Xero, with all your financial snapshots readily accessible. Now, locating the plus icon is your next step. Don't worry, it's conveniently situated on the top corner of your main navigation bar. This icon is your starting point for creating new entries, and in our case, we want to create a manual journal. Give that plus icon a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll see various options for different types of transactions you can initiate. But our focus today is on the manual journal. So go ahead and select that option. At this point, you should see the manual journal entry form in front of you. This is where the exciting part happens, as you get to input the specific financial details you want to record. Now, entering your details is where you'll spend most of your time. Each journal entry consists of several components that you need to fill out, so take your time to carefully add in all the necessary information. Start with the date of the transaction you intend to record. You can use the calendar feature for comfortable date selection or manually type it in. Next, add a unique reference for your journal entry. This step is crucial for identifying and distinguishing your journal entry from all the others. Then, it's time to detail the accounts affected by this transaction. Depending on the nature of your journal entry, you might be debiting one account and crediting another. Whatever detail is necessary to correctly classify your transaction should be meticulously filled in here. Something important to look out for while doing this is to make sure your debits and credits are balanced. In accounting, balancing is crucial. If your journal is unbalanced, Xero usually won't allow you to proceed. So double-check your numbers to avoid any frustration later on. Once everything's filled out and you're satisfied with the details, don't forget to save your work. Keeping your entries updated helps maintain the accuracy of your financial records. After hitting save, Xero will update your records to include this new journal entry, integrating it into your financial statements without any hassle. And just like that, you've entered a journal in Xero. By following these steps, you've taken another stride in ensuring your financial data stays organized and accurate. Keep practicing, and soon enough, this will become second nature to you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy accounting.